So in this Zumper tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to find income restricted rentals here on Zumper. So once Zumper's opened up, I want you to go to your location and then select a location. I'll use New York City for this example. Once the location is selected, go to this top bar and press on more. Then under filters, just scroll down to where it says specialty housing right here and make sure that income restricted is selected. Once that is done, press on view results. Now, once you're here, you can go ahead and check on listings that are considered income restricted. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to find income restricted places for rent here on Zumper. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.